Hello, everyone, and welcome again. Welcome to you from the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. I'm Marva. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for coming to see what's going on here in the garden. Well, there's a lot going on, but today I'm going to be making a floral bouquet. Yes, right? From the Callaloo plants. Yes. So I guess I'll call this a Callaloo floral bouquet. So let's go do that. Yes, folks. The floral bouquet will be coming from these. These are tricolored or variegated callaloo plants. And over here we have the red ones. And these are in container buckets. And I have a third set in one of the beds. Let me show you. Here they are. These are the tricolored and sometimes referred to as the variegated type. So I'm going to be harvesting these and trying to make a floral bouquet from them. Stay with me. All right, let's get these. The seeds are in here. As you can see, we have some. This vine you're looking at is a cucumber vine. Yeah, so it's running from over here, from this end to here. Cucumbers are heat tolerant, so that's one of those crops that you can plant during the summertime. All right, so I'm going to leave those so they can continue to bloom. Let's go get the others in the container. So here we have the red ones. See that? Lovely, isn't it? These will grow again. And now let me get the others over here in this container. All right. So I think I have enough now. Here's what I have. I'm going to put these in the vase. Let's do that. So I have my vase right here. And I'm sitting right in the shaded part of the garden. Here we have a sweet potato bed. These sweet potatoes that are coming up are leftovers from the last crop. All right, so this is the red one. Beautiful. I'm going to put that here. Let me get the lower leaves off. There you go. What do you think so far? Think it's coming along? See, these that I'm taking off, I'm leaving them right here in the sweet potato bed. They'll just turn into compost, which is good nutrients for the soil. I have one more. Do you hear the birds? The birds. Yep, she's making sure you heard that. Now look at, what do you think? I have a Callaloo floral design. See, just a small vase or vase. So this will be placed nicely on a table. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, here is its final resting place. You can use your plants and turn them into a bouquet of flowers. What do you think? Thank you so much for stopping by. And please come back next time to see what's happening right here in the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. And remember, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead, subscribe.